Hi guys, welcome to this quick instructions video about this HORLIMER box. This is the inside and this is the outside. It's already pre-cut and already also a little bit pre-folded, so it's very easy to use. And I'm doing this video because the original video is not so easy, I think. But we have to be careful. This is mostly symmetric, but this thing here is different compared to this thing here. So here we have a sharp corner outside and here it is very round. So the part which is round goes towards you and the part which has this corner goes away from you. And then we fold this small box here and then we lift up the thing here in the back and then we push this down here a little bit, so we almost have a box. And then we lift it up a little bit and release it so we can push these two flaps here inside, and so they are secured down here and also on this side. And now we can fold this a little bit to the inside and then use it as these flaps here to secure it. That definitely works. You can see we can open it again, then we can close it again. I mean, not thousands of times, but that definitely works. So I think this is not a bad thing. You just have to know how this works. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.